From the driver's perspective, we can see on the far right the indicators for the batteries. They provide, again, indication for the various batteries in the pack, as well as the tach, DC amps, DC volts, as well as we have the standard indications inside the dash for the various equipment, as provided in the original vehicle, some of which have been modified in order to provide the correct instrumentation for electric drive. In particular, when we put in the key and put the vehicle to on, you can see two indicator lights inside of the clock area. One of them provides the status of the indicates a normal status for the inertia switch. The other one indicates a normal status for the contactor in unpowered mode. So that ensures that the contactor is not welded, and as well that the inertia switch has not been thrown, which would lead to obviously more debugging. When we turn on the car to on, which is what I've done there, the pack voltage goes from 0 into its current nominal pack voltage. You can see it at about 94, give or take a few voltages there, a few volts on the meter on the left, and that is essentially showing the voltage under the pre-charged load. When we throw the key to start, the contactor will engage. We can hear it there. The fans for the controller will kick up, the indicator lights will turn off, and the full pack voltage can be seen without the load from the pre-charged circuit. So you're looking at about 108 there, so nominal. As well, I think the tachometer goes through a reset cycle, and that throws up. So that indicates that the vehicle has been turned on correctly. This being a manual transmission, we have here the stick shift. It provides 4 gears, first through fourth forward and reverse as well, by pressing the shift down and back towards the driver's left. And there, as I mentioned before, in the motor area, the clutch has been retained and is still functional. So to see the engine under a little bit of load, we'll depress the clutch, ensure that we are in neutral, and press on the gas. You'll hear the motor spin up, and you'll see the battery indicators go under load. You'll see them drop a little bit as they are loaded. You can see the tachometer spinning up to about 1,500 or so. The vehicle with 8 batteries has a top speed of around 108 to 110 kilometers per hour, and it has reasonable torque all the way through that range, so you can get on a highway without any worries about getting merging into standard flowing traffic. And